Hello everyone, this video is based on Independence Day and Gallantry Awards. So let's get started. The first question is, which edition of India's Independence Day is being celebrated on 15 August 2025? The answer is 79th. How many Gallantry Awards were approved on the eve of Independence Day 2025? The answer is A, 127. These awards were awarded to Air Force, Navy and Indian Army. Out of 127 awards, Kirti Chakra were 4, Veer Chakra 15, Shaurya Chakra 16, Sena Medals 78, Nav Sena 6, Vayu Sena 26, Sarvottam Yudh Seva 7. This is important because it is rare. Uttam Seva Medals 9, Yudh Seva Medal 24. Which operation was the focus of many Independence Day 2025 Gallantry Awards? The answer is B, Operation Sindoor. What was the theme of Independence Day 2025? The answer is B, Naya Bharat. Which medal will 7 top military officials receive for their role in Operation Sindoor? The answer is C, Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal. These were awarded to Army, Navy and Air Force, all three. Only one award was awarded to Navy, which was awarded to Sanjay Jasjeet Singh. 2 were awarded to Army, Lieutenant General Prateek Sharma and Rajiv Ghai. 4 were awarded to Air Force for the first time, so this is important. First was Namdeshwar Tiwari, Nagesh Kapoor, Jitendra Mishra, Avadhesh Kumar Bharti. When was the Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal last awarded to Indian Air Force prior to 2025? The answer is B, Kargil War. Which award was given to Air Marshal Namdeshwar Tiwari? The answer is D, Sarvottam Yudh Seva Medal. Where were the national level Independence Day 2025 celebrations held? The answer is Red Fort, Delhi. Which group destroyed enemy surveillance cameras and neutralized drone attacks? The answer is A, BSF personnel. What was the total number of Independence Day Gallantry Awards announced in 2025? The answer is 1090. These awards were awarded to personnel from Police, Fire, Home Guard, Civil Defense and Correctional Services. These are different from the awards awarded to the Air Force, Navy and Army. Okay. Which organization topped the list of Gallantry Awards in 2025? The answer is D, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF 20, BSF 20, UP Police 17 and Jammu and Kashmir Police 127. As you can see, they topped the tally list. Which type of medals were included in the 2025 announcements? The answer is Gallantry, President's Medal for Distinguished Services, Medal for Meritorious Services. Okay, out of total of 1090, 233 were awarded for Gallantry, 99 were for President's Medal for Distinguished Services, 758 medals for Meritorious Services. I would like to remind you that these awards are awarded to the personnel and not Army, Navy and Air Force. These are different. So their count is 1090. Okay, thank you everyone. Keep learning.